This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Saputo. Rarely available first floor end unit. Open floor plan with great room, large kitchen with abundant storage space, delightful breakfast nook, and 3 bedrooms. Floor plan lends easily to 1 bedroom being used as den or office space. Lots of windows so it's light and bright with volume ceilings. Interior laundry with cabinets and laundry sink. Lots of closets throughout. Huge ensuite owner's bedroom overlooking lake, large walk-in closet and bath with double sinks and walk-in shower. Newer washer/dryer, refrigerator 2020, water heater 2015, AC 2014. Screened lanai overlooking peaceful and private preserve with lake view to side. Resort-sized community pool with bathhouse and charming cabana offering under-roof seating. Beautiful Mediterranean-style architecture. Detached 1-car garage and 1 open parking space just steps away. Perfectly located near beaches, restaurants, shopping, historic downtown Venice and convenient access to US 41 or I-75. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Saputo at 941-493-3359.